Okay, boys and girls, it is segmenting time. Do not let me segment by myself, so get your segmenting fist ready, okay? See if you can figure out what these words have in common, too, as we do them. All right, first word, bucket. Ready? B-U-C-K-E-T. Bucket. Next word, sunburn. Earn. Sunburn. Next word, seagull. Ready? S-E-G-U-L. Seagull. Last word, sandman. Just like the story. Ready? And sandman. Right. What do those words have in common? Bucket, sandman, seagull, sunburn. Yeah, they might be things that happen at the beach, right? Yeah. All right. I have something really important to teach you, something new. All right, so again, do not leave me hanging here by myself. We are going to learn the sound of long I today with Magic E. But before we begin, I want us to sing the vowel song for just the I part, okay? All right, everybody sings with me. I want to hear you all. Ready? I makes two sounds, I makes two sounds. I and I, I and I. I as in ice cream, I as in itchy. I and I and I. And we've known for a long time, ready? But today, I like ice cream. Are you ready? Let's go. So boys and girls, when we think about the long vowel sound, we know that in the words we're seeing for long A, you guys did a great job yesterday during our freeze dance and long A words, okay? You guys were remembering that magic E on the end. So we remember that we see the A followed by a line for a consonant and then E. And that E doesn't say anything. It's helping that A make its own sound. So they're kind of coming together as a team, even though they're separated by a consonant that's going to be there. All right, so let's take a look. So when we see a word that has a long I sound in it, like ice cream, again, we're going to see an I followed by a line that's going to have a consonant on it. So there'll be a consonant there and an E. And pretty much another consonant, sometimes two over here. Okay? So again, this I and the E, they're a team. They're working as a team. All right? That E is saying to the I, as long as I'm on the end of this word here, I'm going to help you make your own sound, your name, which is I. All right, so let's try a word. All right. So I'm going to put a B. Okay, so remember, this I and E, they're a team helping that I to say I. That's my name, I. Let's try the word. Ike. Yeah, bike. Right. Let's try another one. Again, we have a team here. We are helping together, even though we're separated by a consonant. All right, let's try this. Oh, I love how you guys, so many of you are making the sounds as I'm writing them. All right, ready? Let's go back. Ready? Aisle. Aisle. What's that word? Mile. Yeah. Like I might say, oh, I went out and I walked for a mile today. A mile today. All right, let's try another one. Let's try this one. I've. Yeah, 5. I know you're saying, hey, Mrs. Hannigan, that was a sight word quite a while ago, but now you know the vowel sound in it and why it's making that I sound. It came together as a team with this E. All right, let's try one more. One more. Now watch this. Remember I said you might have a consonant or 2? All right. I'm going to put a blend here. All right. Ready? Go. Smile. What's that word? Yeah. Smile. I hope you are smiling because you guys are doing a great job with the I sound. All right, let's look at this wiggle phrase here, okay? So go ahead, what's that? Wait, long, go ahead, read it. Ike, there's our team. Right, hike, a long hike. Yeah, like sometimes it's really fun to take a long hike and look for things. Let's try another one. All right. I know you're saying, hey, wait a minute, Mrs. Hannigan. You put 2 long I words in this wiggle phrase. Yes, I did, because you're super smart. All right. Go ahead. 9. 9. Yeah, plus. We just saw this, yeah. 5. 5. Yeah. Hey, what is 9 plus 5? Yeah, 14. How about the say 10 way? Yep. 10, 4. Let's try one more before we move into a new Scott story. All right. We saw this already. Go ahead. Smile. Yeah. Smile. All right. And here's our long A word. Yeah. Go ahead and do that. Are you doing that? Yeah. Are you smiling now? Because it said smile and wave. All right, so you see Mrs. Hannigan's drawing those lines. So make sure you remember that that vowel, whether it's an A or an I, are working with that E on the end, that magic E. They're a team, right? Teamwork makes the dream work. So, all right, you guys are doing a wonderful job. Let's go find out about our new Scott story. All right, so our new Scott story is going to have some I words in it, all right? It's just also going to have some A words in it and some E words in it. All right, it is called a fine hike. Do you see it there? Point to a fine hike. Right, pointing right there, right? All right, what page is it on? Yeah, page 18. Say that the say 10 way. 18 is? Yep, 10-8. Let's go find 18. As I read, you have a few jobs to do. First, you are going to put your finger and run it under the words as I read. Second, if you hear a long I word, put your thumb up, okay? Put your thumb up if you hear an I word. All right, go ahead to the title first, all right? And you don't have to tell me that you're putting your thumb up. I just want to make sure you're listening for the I words, all right? All right, go ahead to the title, and I'm going to read. You point. A fine hike. All right, I'm going to read. Scott is on a hike with Clive and Clive's dad. They hike 3 miles up a big hill. At the top of the hill, Clive's dad says, "This is where we will camp." He drops his pack on the grass. Scott and Clive help him set up the tent. Wow, this sounds like a pretty interesting story. Not only are they on a fine hike, but they're setting up a tent. Let's check it out. Ooh, why, yes, they are. So we can see Clive and Clive's dad. Yeah, and there's Scott, and there's the tent. Backpack and all kinds of things they'll need. All right, let's try. By the way, before I continue with this page, How many times did you put your thumb up for long I words? Yeah, quite a bit, huh? I think, if I recall, it was maybe 7 or 8 times, okay? So keep trying it on this page. Follow with your finger. And then think about those long I words. All right? Here we go. At 5, and that means 5 o'clock. At 5, Scott and Clive hike to the lake to fish. They get 5 fish. At dusk, the kids hike back to camp. Clive's dad makes a fire. The kids munch on hot dogs. At 9, they get in their tent. They are all tired. They smile as they sleep. How many I words were there? Let's see. What is that? Yeah, 5. Clive. Hike. 5. Hike. Clive. Fire. 9. Tired. And smile. Let's see, how many was that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And there they are, smiling as they sleep. Okay, boys and girls, let's take a look at your work. So you're going to practice the I sound, okay? I as in, yeah, time. See what happens when I cover up that magic E? What's that word? Yeah, it's Tim. But when I have the E there, it becomes time. So you're going to practice time and writing it again. What's that word? Shine. What is that? Yeah, shine. How about if I cover up that magic E? Yeah, shin, like your shin bone, like you wear shin guards for soccer. But with that E on, it's become a team. Shine. All right, and you're going to turn the page. Oh, you guys know what to do on this page, right? You're going to read the words at the top and find the picture that tells about it and write those words. All right, can't wait to see your great work.